Going to be freestyling, so there's going to be a beat. This is on the top of my head. So I'm going to be freestyling to this beat. I don't know how to start or wait. What you know? What I'll explain you guys physics. I have to explain you how rockets work. Wait for that. I'll have to explain you basic physics or forces. Wait, dial it back. You know what? Three things. Wait, what? जितना दिल से लगा सकते हो उतना लगा दिया तुमने बोले फोर्सेस वेट व्हाट एम ए अरे टेक्निकली जान दे छोड़े लोगों को समझ में नहीं आते दुनिया 3D है 4D बात है फॉर्मूले वेट व्हाट वेट जान दे अगर किस्ती चीजें सी एक ही डायमेंशन में तो होती दुनिया बोले कपड़े जैसे लेकिन नहीं होती तो dimension is depressing. I'm sorry. Wait, I love things. Wait, what? Let's go to the second thing. What inertia? बोले जान है जान वो वाली नहीं बोले दूसरी बोले जितनी बड़ी you press your brake, you go आगे on your head. You understand my body? I'm telling you बोले it's your laziness or something. You know what? Wait, let's go to the third thing. Equal and opposite forces. That's what life is. Wait, what? Die back. You know what? That's how rockets work. नीचे लगा कुछ आगे जाता है ऊपर but you know what it takes a nerd to express what they're trying to do because it's absurd how these people are behave. Sorry, but yeah, I was explaining you rockets and I got into my own topic. You know what? I'll explain you. People be thugging these days. I'll explain you what happened 10 years ago in 2017. रुक हिंदी में करता हूँ पब्लिक को समझ में आएगा थोड़ा इजी है बोले 2017 की बात है बोले मैं था यूके में पढ़ रहा था जो मैं supposed to speak and you know what I was working in a bar and I was doing classes but you know what it was a good scene हुआ उधर ऐसा सीन कि मेरे दोस्त आ गए they wanted to go to a club see but it was late and you know we are brown you see they didn't let them in but बाकी की story बाद में because I'll tell you what happened we were walking home UK is weird like they shut everything at 8 o'clock you know what Pune is much better you know what look at Kondwa bro we're like 3 o'clock yo going back to that oh sorry for that you know what where was I wait what it's rap oh yeah we left we were you know what we took something to eat you know 20-pound pizza we was like first week we were like that's like 2K bro it's like yeah brother but we gotta eat okay ठीक है कोई नहीं हम गए हम लोग चल रहे थे there was a 24 hour shop you see we went there we bought like samosas and then microwavable things and when we went ahead you know what there were two guys behind us you know what they were like a little coke sorry there are kids here I need to keep it PG but you know what they were on bad things and they then when they were walking behind us, they asked us, do we want anything? You know what, I would have said no, but the guy behind me was a little bit genius. He said, we're good guys, bro. Oh, khaya, bachi, are, ho gaya shot. You know what, there was like a fight scene. We are running because I was like, we're not creating a scene. We are new here. We're sent to study. You know what, we need to focus on the right things. We're running with, you know, who's not the guy with the pizza. He's standing like a fucking, sorry. He's standing like a delivery boy. Do you understand me? Then we walked back because you know those two guys they came back and we can't leave our friend now and we got to fight back and we dropped them down. It took a while, but yeah, brother, wow, you know what? We gave them our all and they were on like some stuff. But then you know what? When we dropped them down, we were like, who do we call? There's this guy who's running like that guy in that Bago. Sorry, but we got over here. Yeah. Sorry, yeah. This halfway, but yeah.